Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download and install Real Racing 3 application on your iOS. To download and install Real Racing 3 on your iOS, first of all, go ahead and unlock your iPad or iPhone and then open up App Store. In the search box, type in Real Racing 3. Look for this application from Electronic Arts that says Real Racing 3 Car Race Game and tap on Get. Log in with your Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password and you will begin downloading the app on your device. Once the download is completed, you can open up the game on your device and start playing. Just make sure that the device is connected to a stable internet. Ensure you have enough storage space on your device and make sure to keep your iOS updated to ensure compatibility. And that's it. You will be downloading Real Racing 3 on your iOS in no time. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, like, share and subscribe for more. I'll be back in the next video again. Thank you for watching.